Hey guys, what's going on? I have to tell you about my most favorite snack that I'm sure most of you guys have had at one point or another. They are Wheat Thins Original. They are the most delicious crackers. They're my favorite. They're super crunchy. They're great for snacking. I used to always bring these if I wasn't going to buy lunch out, I would always bring these with me in like a little Ziploc baggie to crunch on. Wheat Thins Original is great with cheese, hummus, artichoke spread, any kind of topping really. They are from Nabisco. They are 21 grams of whole grain per 31 gram serving. 100% whole grain Wheat Thins Original. No artificial colors or flavors. They are enlarged here to show the detail. And this is the serving suggestion with some cheddar cheese on there. That looks good. For 16 pieces, there are 140 calories, 0.5 grams of saturated fat, 3% daily value, 200 milligrams sodium, 9% daily value, and 5 grams total sugars. Snacks, net weight 9.1 ounce or 257 grams. Let's go here to the nutrition facts. About 8 servings per container. Serving size is 16 pieces, 31 grams. Calories 140. Total fat 5 grams, 6% daily value. Saturated fat 0.5 grams, 3% daily value. Trans fat 0 grams. Cholesterol 0 milligrams or 0% daily value. Sodium 200 milligrams, 9% daily value. Total carbohydrate 22 grams, 8% daily value. Dietary fiber 3 grams, 11% daily value. Total sugars 5 grams, includes 4 grams of added sugars, 8% daily value. Protein 2 grams. Vitamin D 0 mcg or 0% daily value. Calcium 30 milligrams, 2% daily value. Iron 0.9 milligrams, 4% daily value. Potassium 90 milligrams or 0% daily value. Let's go here to the ingredients. Ingredients: whole grain wheat flour, canola oil, sugar, cornstarch, malt syrup from corn and barley, salt, refiner syrup, leavening, calcium phosphate and baking soda, BHT added to packaging material to preserve freshness, contains wheat. Distributed by Mondelez Global LLC, East Hanover, New Jersey, 07936 USA. Mondelez International, there's the smart label. Wheat Thins Original snacks have 21 grams of whole grain per 31 gram serving. Nutritionists recommend eating 48 grams or more of whole grains throughout the day. So on the back here it says all hail 100% whole grain Wheat Thins with 21 grams whole grain per 31 gram serving. 100% awesome with its baked thin goodness and indescribably delicious taste. And you can see the top here says original, lift tab to open, best when used by March 12, 2019. Plenty of time to go through this. Easy to close. And then here it just says reiterating the 100% whole grain and the size. Questions or comments, there's the number you could call. This package is sold by weight, not by volume. If it does not appear full when open, it is because contents have settled during shipping and handling. There's the brand seal. Keep it going. 100% recycled paperboard, so please make sure to recycle this carton. Minimum 35% post-consumer content. So let's open this up. There's the plastic bag that it comes in, which is just easy to open. You don't even need a scissor. You could just pull it with both hands open, or if you want, you could get a scissor, whatever works for you. This is what the cracker looks like. Fits in the palm of my hands. I think they're pretty thick, nice and crunchy. I think they're definitely better for you than like Ritz or like, you know, another cracker on the market. At least they're all made from whole grains, so that helps you get your daily serving of whole grains with these. Super crunchy, like I said, because they're pretty thick, it makes them perfect for dipping so that the dips won't slide off or anything. I prefer any kind of cheese on these. Sliced cheese, cheddar, white cheddar, what other kind? I'm not really like feta on there. I like the Bonnibel cheeses too. Yeah, I think cheddar is probably the best. You could even do like American cheese on it if you wanted to. Hummus. They're just such a great snack. I absolutely love them. So I hope you guys found the video useful, and I hope you try out Wheat Thins. If you have never had them, you're missing out. Thanks for watching, guys.